Alright, releasing the clip. We shipped the unit already connected to the harness. Please disconnect the little box from the harness. Disconnect the NAViKS box from the harness. Show me the dip switches. Dip switches must be set. 2, 3 must be up, the rest down and on position. That's the setting for the Aviator. Alright, now we're going to install the harness. Right, now you're going to look for the 8-pin unit. Make sure the latch is open all the way before you start putting it in, like this. And we're only going to be starting to close the gray latch only once we have the connector seated all the way. Once we feel it cannot move anymore, that's when we're going to start closing the latch.
Okay, hold it like this.
Okay, we need to unseat the original OBD. Alright, now that we have installed both harnesses, it is very important to plug in back the 8-pin connector, and you're going to look at the LED lights on both sides of the unit, or both sides of the ports. Alright, you should have a steady red blinking LED. If you have something else, if one of the lights is not there or both the lights are flashing, you have not installed the harness properly. Do not start the car.